Yeah, but he's just sucking me along, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Should we not clip that either?
I could hear that as coming out of my gob, and I couldn't stop it.
Bad as Nick taking one up the rear earlier.
One eye taking the jizz of 1,000 men.
With the jizz of 1,000 men.
That'll be a new one for his Tourette's, won't it?
Oh, 10-pole Tudor, isn't it? Right then. The A429.
Yeah. I could just see him sat in the next fucking funeral and then suddenly bursts out with the jizz of 1,000 men.
I can't believe you weren't ready for that, Nick.
I know, I thought about it and I thought, fuck it.
You're clear. You are clear, still clear, clear, all the way. There is a car on the horizon.
There is.
Welcome to Cirencester.
Here we are.
I think there's an 8-year-old in the rear seat of this car. He's giving me the evil eye.
Is he giving you the finger?
I'm going to see if he wants to pull over and have a fight. Second exit. Not one, but two.
Oh,
There's a nice farm shop on the outskirts of Cirencester. That's where Derek picked up salt instead of sugar for the coffees.
Oh,
and at what point did he realise it was wrong?
After we put them in,
oh no.
but they were very good. They actually replaced our coffees free of charge, which is just as well, because they were about £8 for 2 coffees.
God, look at that concoction coming out the back of that place.
Yeah. Makes you wonder what's going on in there, doesn't it? And
Something smelly by the look of it.
Yeah.
and all the bloody security cameras around it as well.
Yeah.
Do you think they've been away staying somewhere for Christmas?
Yes.
Quite possibly.
It's like you say to them, "Where you got your caravan at?" "What fucking caravan?" Yeah, come on then. Now watch this caravan look when he goes over the bumps and he's bouncing.
Yeah.
It's like my man boobs when I haven't got my man bra on.
On a trampoline.
Third exit coming up there.
Yep.
Allegedly.
Yeah. It's like a game of roulette.
The map's never wrong.
No.
It's only me that's wrong. Well, we got 3 minutes.
3 minutes. It's 10:29.
Oh, mine's saying 10:27.
Mine says,
Yeah, well, yours is fucking
mine says
continental, isn't
28.
it? So between us, we can average.
We're late.
Yeah, it's 12:15.
We're going in here. See, all these big houses like them set in their own little plot. They'd have a massive block of flats in there now, wouldn't they?
Oh, crikey,
Yeah.
There's this double roundabout up here. We go straight across.
Roll the dice.
No, we go over the double roundabout, over again, and then we go up to the lights and hang a right.
Right.
Allegedly.
Millard.
Burford's a nice place, isn't it?
Burford? Yeah, well, when we leave here, we was contemplating with going out through Bybury and then Burford, but it stuck so much on
Yeah.
on the end, on the run.
You know what I think?
You did.
I stopped there as well.
I was going to say you did Byberry and Burford with him last time, didn't you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
So I haven't been to Byberry.
You were leading, Nick.
Yeah. That says nothing. Are we doing it right here? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. You're quite safe. Just sure on the left.
Is it be Jingo?
It is.
Well, you got to be fair tonight. You just got to see it at 10:32, or is it 38, or is it 25?
Is it shut?
Fuck off. There's Derek.
It does say it's open.
There's our Derek! I'll park next to the BMW. We won't have none of this Honda shite.
Beep, 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 beep.
Wide person reversing. Oh, that's clean. See, none of them wankers told me, did they?
What?
Hi, Derek. Nice to meet you, bud. I've had my top box open all the way.
Why?
And that twat's been behind me all the way and never told me.
And if I had, I wouldn't have told him. Oh, you sorted it? See my
Oh,
gloves?
Christ. You got 6 on there. Look at this fucking thing. Oh, we got to. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, Casey Jones.
Casey Jones, Stephen and
Oh,
Rowan.
brilliant.
Casey Jones.
That's amazing,
You
isn't it?
never have to guess when you hear the tooting of the whistle. It's Casey at the throttle of the cannonball. Yes. Casey Jones.
Ah, because on that, it's got the indicators and brake light all in the indicator. And when you brake, you can't see the indicator. Was that his cameraman with him?